maayong gabi sa tanan akong followers, viewers, and supporters. Guys, this is Pasko Fiesta Davao. This is Rizal Park. This is the San Pedro Town Square. So kung gusto mo mag-relax guys, try to visit Rizal Park, Davao. Pwede mo mag-relax din hit sa pila ka oras. Davaoeños,